Hello everyone and greetings from the ISE 2026 in Barcelona. We are here at the AudioPressBox booth where I would like to show you our most advanced solution. Basically, the APB320CD USB has two analog inputs with a mic and line input and of course phantom power for the mic input gain. Second input is either analog or one-channel Dante. The third input is a USB-C in and out for a video conference, so you can easily bring a remote participant in, phones out to listen to it, and inside there is a rechargeable AccuPack. So on its own the unit can operate up to 20 hours without electricity. In regard to the output, we have XLR, mic and line switchable, balanced and transformer isolated, every single one. And we also have 4 USB-C outputs for the smartphones, so the younger generation of journalists can easily connect their iPhone or Android phone and do audio recording, video recording, or live stream. Thank you, and for more information, please visit our website, AudioPressBox.com.